In a realm where the sun's rise is as regular as clockwork and your morning brew is just another cup of joe, brace yourself for an extraordinary twist. Enter Nutrivive, the coffee that's about to shake up your routine. Imagine a world where your morning cuppa is more than just a caffeine fix. Picture a day that begins with a taste sensation that defies the ordinary. Yes, there's a revolution brewing, and it's unlike anything you've experienced before. What's the commotion? You may wonder. Isn't it just coffee? But hold your breath, because this is where the plot thickens. Prepare for a flavor explosion you won't believe, says the barista. The crowd leans in, anticipation building, and then, with a dramatic flourish, the secret ingredient is revealed. Behold, the Nutrivive effect. The crowd gasps, the coffee bubbles, and it glows with a promise of the unexpected. With Nutrivive, every sip is a journey, a wild ride that leaves you wanting more. It's not just coffee, it's a new dawn, an adventure in every cup. So why settle for the mundane when you can wake up to the unexpected? Nutrivive, where every sip is an adventure. Embrace the extraordinary, one brew at a time.
Damn,